In front of me is Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then select Connection Preferences. Click on Printing and Default Print Service, or install a new service and connect it the same way as the default one. Just tap and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. To switch on or off your default print service, use this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!